again. It will be a different video, as you can know with the title of my video itself that I'm going to bake a cake for my birthday. Yeah, today is 15th of July and today is my birthday and I'm going to bake a cake by myself. I never thought like I will include all these kinds of video in my channel, because the day I started my channel I said that I will upload only a covers, but I think I will end up with uploading all kinds of video, like from challenges to covers, from baking to vlogging. And you know guys, I am soon going to make a vlog, so stay tuned. Now let's talk less and work more. So in order to bake a cake, I have taken these 2 packets of Oreo biscuit, which I am going to put this in bowl. And now I will break it into pieces. So yeah, it's done, and now I'm going to grind this. So yeah guys, it's almost done. Now we will put this back here. And we'll add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And some milk, and we'll mix it well. So it's done. So since it is done, I will keep this aside. Now here I have a cake tin in which I had already applied this butter paper. Now I am going to put this here. Yeah, it's done. You know guys, I really don't bake. Not really, I don't bake at all. So I don't have an oven, but I have used this as my oven. So I will put this here like this, and I will cover this up, and we'll leave this for 30 to 35 minutes. It's almost been 30 to 35 minutes. So let's check it out. How does my cake look? Yay! Wow guys, it looks so nice. And look, it's baked. It's almost baked. It's so nice. I loved it. Now we will take this off. So yeah, it's almost done. It looks so nice, as you can see. Now I'm going to flip it like this. So now it's a decoration time. For that I'm going to apply this Hershey's chocolate syrup. And we'll add some white chocolate. It looks so nice and so beautiful. So finally it's done. As you can see, it looks so nice and so beautiful. Though it was my first trial, I'm very happy and satisfied with my result, and I still can't believe that I baked it so nice and so beautifully. Wow, just look at my cake. But yeah, one thing, I cannot give you the review on the test because I'm going to cut this cake at night. So if you people really want to know how does it taste, then let me know in the comment section. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, and if you don't like this video, then also please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, and please do share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you guys. I will see you in my next video.